Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our U-Haul channel. Today we'd like to take a look at a tie-down made by ANCRA. This is the ANCRA Integra tie-down. It is a premium cam buckle tie-down that is specifically made for motorcycles and ATVs. To take a little bit of a look at the specifications for this product, it's 5.5 feet long and it has a 400-pound working load rating. Now, to kind of look at the packaging, the first thing that you can see is the cam buckle. It is a heavy-duty cam buckle. You can see that it's strong and durable. They also have instructions and specifications for best ways to use this product on the back. But to kind of take a better look at it, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, now that we have it out of the package, let's go ahead and take a look at the cam buckle here. Now, we're going to go ahead and test the adjustment. As we pull on it, it is nice and easy, moves freely when needing to adjust. And once you have it in the fixed place, you can pull on it and you know it won't go anywhere. Now, staying over here on the fixed end, we have a vinyl covered S hook. This hook is rounded, prevents scratching, and additionally with the Integra, we have a sewn hand loop for the handlebar to help secure it. Now, the webbing on the tie-down is a nylon webbing. It is abrasion resistant and it's nice and soft. And additionally on the webbing we have the capacities for this tie-down to help with whatever need you're using it. All right, once again, this is the ANCRA Integra tie-down. Thank you for watching our video. If you want more product reviews for your hauling needs, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.